I see what you're saying, and this one is another angle. Thank you for bringing this one up. Yeah. Thank you for bringing this one up. So this is like another layer, another level beyond what we have talked about. So let me give you an example so that you understand that I understand what you're saying. Now, I don't know if you have seen my video on the internet that's causing a lot of controversy, where I said that I was the one that single-handedly grew First Bank Facebook page from 1 million to 4 million. Now, a lot of people don't believe that, and they're arguing with it. And here is a statement that so many people are saying: why you never build your own page? Why your page not build? If not so, why your page now? What happened there is that you cannot be working for somebody and at the same time be building your own.
Exactly. It's very tasking. You can't.
You cannot be doing that. So what you would and guess what? As at that time when I was doing it, nobody knew me. Because I wasn't building anything for myself. Even the things I was building, they were hidden. I was just doing some low-key things. I was preparing myself for this day that I'm living in now. I knew this day was coming. I was preparing myself, small, arranging things, registering company, setting some things, buying laptops, buying phone, training people on a low-key. So that when I am done working for people in terms of, now you they do this thing, they take your whole time, I can now carry my small money, my small people, my small energy, and put it in myself. So what you now need to do is that you will now decide how long you want to be working for people. You will decide it. If you say you want to, let me bring in another one that is controversial. When I wanted to do conductor, I think I was 18. Yeah, 18. I think I should be 18. Yeah. When I wanted to start conductor, the reason I started conductor was that I wanted to go to a private school. And I didn't have money to pay for a private school because I was in a government school when I was in GSS 3. So when I was done with my GSS 3, I said, no, I don't want to go to a government school again. I like the way I see rich people, successful people, the way they live their life. So I want to be like them. And for me to be like them, I need to go to a private school. So I decided that I was going to do conductor for 1 year. Because I had found out how much they pay per day. I've calculated it per month. I've calculated it for 1 year. So I already have an idea of how much I will make for 1 year. And I already know that the money will keep increasing. I've learned it. So I did conductor for 1 year and carried the whole money, go pay for first term, second term, third term school fees. Buy uniform, buy everything. So and I never went back to conducting again, doing conducting. Are you seeing it? So it's the same way. There were some businesses in UK, US that I was running advert for, but they were taking my energy, taking my time. There were things I was doing that people didn't know I was the one doing them. I was making money. For example, I used to do seminar almost every 3 months. And each seminar that I do cost me within 1.5 million to 3 million naira. I've done seminar in Jos, and it's free. I don't collect money from people. I've done seminar in Jos, Abuja, Warri, Enugu, is it Ibadan? How do they call that place? Is it Ibadan? Kwara State. I've done seminar in many places. So those monies I was making then, I'm like, I need to go and shoot videos. Let me go and be teaching people because I will use these videos later. Some of the videos some of you are seeing on the internet are videos I did 2017, 2018, 2019, 2020. That's why some people, when they come to my life, they're surprised. I look a bit fresher than some of the videos they are seeing. Some people, when they see me in real life, they're like, you look finer. And that time I was still hungry. I was still lanky. I was still seemingly broke and busted. Do you understand? So all the money I make, I was investing in it. But now that I've now built an ecosystem for myself, I can now say, okay, bye-bye. I'm not doing it again. Bye-bye, bye-bye. So I'm not doing my own thing now. That's why for me, I cannot be consistent. It is my own thing. No, I call the shots. I have the time. So you now, you can't call the shots at this time because you don't have the time. So what you now need to do now is to decide how long do I want to do this thing. I didn't say how much will I save because there will be no time where the money will be enough. It's not money. You have to decide. You will jump inside the river. Go and learn how to swim and jump inside the river and start swimming. So it's not money. Don't wait for money. You can, yes, thank you, Auntie Kemi, for that support. You can, money can never, if it's money, say, let me make this amount of money first. No. You will end up working for 16 years. So just decide that, okay, you know what, yeah, I don't get house. I don't pay house rent for like 2 years. Okay, I get fridge, I get stove, I get babe. Basic, the word is basic amenities. You get something when go fit dey solve your basic amenities, like you fit eat, you fit transport, you fit wear shirt. Once that one is sorted, Baba, face your thing. That thing when they hungry you, buy solar inverter. So that thing when they your spirit. See this teaching that they do. I want to talk in the light of the spiritual part of what you brought up. I can't do any other thing if I'm not teaching, because that's what God told me to do. This is not the only class. I have many other classes. I can't do any other thing. Nothing else. That's why I'm focused. So that's what you should do too. Go and focus on that one. That's what will give you joy. You see me, I'm always happy. There's nothing anybody say, it doesn't concern me. Because I'm where God wants me to be. I don't care about any human being. So that's all I have to say concerning this one. Thank you so much.
100 for you, Baba me.
Now so
100 for you.
Rewind me. Continue.